Ah, you're still there. Ah, yeah, life's been kind of fun lately. My wife, old Mrs. Chef, has a joke. The world can be seen in the shape of my pants. Yay. Yeah, that's right. So, yeah, a little exciting. Whether you got snow, you got COVID, you got power, whatever. Life's been a little interesting lately. And everybody's hungry. So let's make some dinner. Oh, yeah. So, what's going on tonight? No, it's actually what happened last night. Pulled a steak out of the freezer, and through all the power outages and all that, it wasn't exactly the best shape. Yeah, it was a little freezer burned and not so ideal. So what do? Magic ingredient. The Basque marinade. No, they don't give me money. Although you might tell them they should. Yeah, a few years ago I took a Weber barbecue, kettle barbecue, and a little cheap hibachi style griddle that I picked up at the local hardware store and used it to create a pan full of charcoal briquettes right under the heavy metal grill of the Weber. Put on a nice 1.5-inch thick, very fatty ribeye that I'd soaked in the marinade. The flame was so hot the steak literally caught on fire from all the sugar and alcohol in the marinade. Created a beautiful crust. That's my favorite thing to do with it. But in this case, I just marinated up some lightly freezer burned steaks, cooked them up with some oven potatoes, made a salad. Life is good. So that's my magic tip of the day. So if you got freezer burned meat, a little bit of heavy duty marinade. This stuff's kind of funky. You might want to check it out as best you can before you actually use it. It's got a little bit of a gamey taste. It's magnificent. At least I think so. So that's it. This is social media. Please be good social citizens. And subscribe and all of that good stuff. Nothing else. The world may end next week. Who knows? So that's it. Thanks. Goodbye.